antique Spode Jasperware. Copeland late Spode to be more precise, registered in 1891 on the RD 180 number. Jasperware was made in a variety of different colours by Spode around this time. This one probably dates from around 1891 through to around 1900. Please note that this is a repaired teapot, and it has got this antique, very well done, but repaired crack where the handles come away. So you've got a crack through here, which has been glued, and it's matching crack just here. It's absolutely solid and stable, but we wouldn't recommend using this or washing it, as that would likely to loosen the glue. So this is really for display purposes only, and collectors of Jasperware and Spode. Lovely stoneware. It's quite rustic, the Spode stoneware, the glaze is on it. When you actually feel this, it's not the complete matte finish that you get with wetwood later Jasperware. This is very much glazed, but in a sort of matte finish on the background. Few thumb marks here in the actual glaze where this decoration has been applied later. So one of the decorators has left his very identity on the teapot that is made. For the price we're asking for this, you do get a perfect Jasperware lid. It's almost worth buying just as a replacement lid if you've got a damaged lid, but perfect teapot, to be honest. But the actual teapot itself is in good condition, apart from the repair to the to the handle. Hasn't had much use at all, I don't think. Looking through that draining sieve for the tea leaves in there, it's very, very clean. Suggests it's probably been used for display for most of its life, apart from when its handle came off. There's the Copeland Late Spode sail boat mark with the RD 18283 England. Also, as they always should have, Copeland impressed in England, and this one's got 21 also impressed into the base, which don't think refers to the size or shape, but probably the production run or lot number in the firing. A lovely looking thing, beautiful to look at. You don't really notice the crack through the handle. It's very, very subtle on display, and a really, really nice antique Jasperware teapot by Copeland Late Spode, 1890s, and we've drawn that condition note to you so you know exactly what you're buying. Thanks for watching.